Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be explain the complete detail of the cutoff of the government seat in Government Medical College might be the in the 2026. What is the cutoff of 2024 and the what is the cutoff in the 2025? How much will be the expected cutoff may go into in the 2026? So watch the video completely because we will be discuss the expected cutoff category wise. General merit category 1, 2A category, 2B category, 3A category, 3B category, SC ಮತ್ತು ST category. First, let me know how many MBBS seats in Karnataka. There are 72 MBBS colleges in Karnataka. Out of these 22 government medical colleges, there are also 2 ESI medical colleges. Government medical college have around 3950 MBBS seats, while ESI medical college have around 300 MBBS seats. The overall Karnataka approximately 13,945 MBBS seats. This last year 50% seat is private colleges where government colleges allotted under NRI seats. In the government colleges 50% seat is allotted all India quota. That means the portion of the total goes the all India quota and NRI quota, reducing the number of state quota seats. Last year, only few of colleges had the NRI seats, but this year almost all government colleges have the implemented NRI quota. The last year fees is around 25 lakh per year. The seat is in this year around 550 MBBS seats are expected to increase in the Karnataka government medical colleges. However, in a even seat are increased, there is no guarantee that cutoff will be decreased. This is because competition increase in Karnataka and all India quota and NRI quota also affect the cutoff. General merit General merit in 2024 government seat cutoff was allotted around 62,000 all India ranking. The seat is allotted around 603 marks, 6013 marks. In 2025, the seat is happened around 55,000 all India ranking with the 497. The expected cutoff of the pure government seat is 535 to 545 marks. Since competition is high, the cutoff of general merit may be remain comparatively higher. Next is category 1. In 2024, seat is allotted happen at around 78,000. All India ranking 78,000 with 599 marks. In 2025, the seat is allotted happen around 67,000 All India ranking with 487 marks. The expected cutoff of 2026 is pure government seat is 512 to 512 to 520 marks. This year may be considered for the safe scoring the government MBBS fees with the annual fees is 60,000. Next is 2A category. In 2024, seat is happened at around 76 All India ranking with 601 marks. In 2025, seat is allotted happened at the 73,000 All India ranking with 483 marks. The expected cutoff for pure government seat is 522 530 marks. Semi government MBBS seat is expected is 5052 510. Next is 2B category. In 2024, seat is allotted around 70,000 All India ranking with 606 marks. In 2025, seat is allotted around 59,000 All India ranking with 499 marks. The expected cutoff of 2026 pure government seat is 510 to 520 marks. and semi-government seat is allotted. Expected cutoff is 590 to 500 marks. Next is 3A category. In 2024, seat is allotted around 65,000 rank 611 marks. 611 marks, and in 2025 seat is happened around 57,000 all India ranking with 490 marks. The expected cutoff of the pure government seat is 522 522 530 marks. In semi government seat is 500 to 505 marks. Next is 3B category. In 2024, the seat is allotted happened at around 65,000 all India ranking with 601 marks. In 2025, seat is allotted happened around 58,000 all India ranking with 495 marks. The expected cutoff 2026 pure government seat is 522 530 marks. 530 marks. In semi-government seat, around 510 marks expected cutoff. Next is SC category. In 2024, the seat is allotted around 1,75,000 with all India ranking with 521 marks. In 2025, the seat is allotted around 1,87,000 air with 412 marks. The expected cutoff of the pure government seat is 4 okay 435 to 440 marks. The semi government seat is 535 to semi government seat is 410 to 420 marks. Next is ST category. ST category in 2024 seat is allotted around 1,68,000 air all India with the 526 marks. In 2025 the seat is allotted happen around 1,76,000 with all India ranking 418 marks. The expected cutoff of the pure government seat is 440 marks. In semi government seat 425 to 430 marks. This is video has been explained the expected cutoff of 2026 category wise detail. This is only the prediction. The actual cutoff will be declared after the NEET result and announce the counseling process begin. If you cutoff is go lower expected, I will be better for the student, but competition increase the cutoff may also rise. If you found the video is useful, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.